Now let's talk about if statements. If statements are used together with conditions to determine which part of the code will be executed next if the evaluated condition is true. Think of this as a sort of conversation between two people. So let's make a variable called passerby speech, just like in a normal conversation. We're going to set this equal to hello. And now we're going to check this. Oops, I made a typo with a G, excuse me. Alright, so let's make our if statement. So we're going to start with writing if. Then we're going to write our variable. As you can see in Sublime Text, we have autofill, which is a miracle, kind of. It makes our life a lot easier when programming in Sublime Text. Writing programs, excuse me. So if passerby speech equals hello, which it does, or we're going to, as you can see the or and a logical operator and our conditional operator used before, so we're using these in if statements. Alright, so hello is if passerby speech equals hello, or if passerby speech equals hi. As you can see, they're both two greetings. The result is going to be print hi, how are you? Alright, so basically this is illustrating a normal greeting. So if someone says hi to you, well, depending on who you are, you just say hi back and how are you. So let's build this. As you can see, there is a syntax error here, so let me just check my syntax. I believe it is the indentation. Oh, no. As you can see here, this is a common mistake sometimes with programmers. What they do, you have to make a double equal sign and not just a single one, because in if statements this is actual condition. So be sure to memorize that. And this is in a declaration of a variable and setting it equal to a value. So just remember, in if statements and conditions, use the double equal sign. Alright, so let's build it. And there's a hi, which is something. Oh, in Python we also have to add a colon in the if statement. I forgot to add that colon before. So let's build it now. As you can see, since passerby speech equals hello, which yields true in this if statement, we get hi, how are you? So anything within the if statement is processed when the result of this condition is true. Alright, moving on. So as you can see, let's just write our if statement formula, sort of. So we have if, we have a condition, and then we have to indent. Remember, indentation in Python is very important. So anything indented. Oh, and of course, again, I forgot the colon. So we have condition, let's say statement, colon, and then anything after that indented is within that if statement when that condition is true. So we have some code here. Let's just write some comments, code, and we just have some pseudocode like print and so on. So this is just how our if statement works. So we write if, our condition, then a colon, and then after that we use indentation to sort of contain whatever to interpret whatever code is to be executed when we have the condition equal to true. So to recap, just remember that indentation in if statements, like in most of Python, is very important. So like this, let's write something. If, just some pseudocode, if true, colon, and we didn't indent, print test. This is not the right way to write an if statement, so we're going to need indentation here. And that is all for this tutorial. We hope you tune in next time.